The Supreme Court is filled as the candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the last governorship election in Nasarawa State, David Ongugadu, seek to overturn the verdict of the Court of Appeal, which affirmed the election of Governor Abdullahi Sule of Nasarawa State. At the day's proceedings, lead counsel to the PDP and its governorship candidate, Kanu Agabi, appealed to the Apex Court to set aside the November 23, 2023 judgment of the Court of Appeal. In its place, Mr. Agabi canvassed that the October 2, 2023 judgment of the Nasarawa State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal, which was in favor of the PDP, be restored. In response, lawyers to Governor Sule, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) and the APC prayed the court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit. After listening to arguments from the lawyers, Justice Kekere Ekun announced that judgment has been reserved and that the date for its delivery will be communicated to the parties involved. Although lawyers to the other parties were unavailable for comments, counsel to the PDP and the candidate of the party in Nasarawa State expressed optimism regarding their appeals.
We have urged the court to restore the judgment of the trial tribunal that declared David Ongugadu as the duly elected governor of Nasarawa State. That's our prayer.
This is a litmus test for the Apex Court, and we believe they will do the needful. Thank you very much. We shall come back and all of us will be on ground to attest to what will be the outcome of their verdict.
Back in the courtroom, lawyers to the PDP candidate in the last governorship election, retired Major General Aminu Bande, also adopted their brief of argument, challenging the verdict of the Court of Appeal, which affirmed the election of Governor Nasir Idris of Kebbi State. The appeal was opposed by the counsel to the Kebbi State Governor, who asked the court to dismiss the appeal by upholding the verdict of the Kebbi State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal and the Court of Appeal, which affirmed the election of Governor Idris.
Our prayer before the court is that our appeal be allowed on the basis that the Deputy Governor of Kebbi State was not qualified to contest the election, and on that basis the entire election should be nullified, and the candidate of the PDP, General Bande, standing behind me, be declared the governor of Kebbi State.
Our expectation is that the court will affirm the concurrent findings of both the tribunal and the Court of Appeal and dismiss the appeal, of course, because it lacks any merit.
The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja had on the 23rd of November 2023 reversed the sack of Governor Abdullahi Sule by the Nasarawa State Election Petitions Tribunal and also upheld the judgment of the Kebbi State Election Petition Tribunal, affirming Mr. Nasir Idris as the governor of Kebbi State.